Hi friends, this is MBTech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve this bug. Assume you try to update your packets when you run this command, so apt-get. You get this could not open log file, this one permission like that. And if we run with a high privilege, also you get this error. That is, the following signature were invalid. This error occurs when you haven't updated your Linux machine for a long time. And in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So you need to copy this command and paste into your terminal, and you must run this command as a root. I'll copy this command and paste, and I'll provide this command in the description of the video. You can get the description of this video and copy and paste into your terminal. I try to run this command can only be used by root. We have to log in as a root. So let me terminate this command first, Control C, and I'm going to log in as a super user, a root user. Now I paste the command. After you paste the command, hit enter. You can see it takes some time, but I cancelled it by Control C by terminating them. You have to wait for just a long time. It may take some time, so be patient to wait for like several minutes. As you can see now, it's downloading the apt key and add it to your person. You can see, and you have to wait for a long time, and this depends on your internet connection. If you have poor internet connection, then it is going to take a long time, but if you have it takes short time. You can see now command have been run successful. Once you see this OK response, then it's done. So now I can try to run this command apt to update my database. You can see now it's working. Thanks for watching, my friends, but you can get another report to this website.